Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny files access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, scroll down and click on files. Now here you will be able to see the list of apps that can use the files access permission. So if you want to allow a app to use the files access, then go to the allowed section and allow the app to use the files access permission. And if you want to deny a app to use the file access permission, then go to the allowed section and then click on the app and deny the app to use the file access permission. So that's how you can allow or deny files access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.